ever really wanted to go somewhere, but you weren't quite sure how you were going to get there? Oh, who's that? Hello.
Hello, Berry Kelly.
Hi.
We want to go to the beach.
Oh.
But our car's broken.
Oh, no. That seems like a problem.
It's a big problem.
What should we do?
I don't know. Beach! 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 Beach!
Oh, beach. Beach. I love the beach. Do you love the beach?
Yes, beach! Oh,
I've got a great idea.
really? What?
I know what we can do. We can make cars out of toilet rolls and then you can go to the beach. That's right. Look what I made yesterday.
Oh.
Ta-da! This will take you to the beach in no time. Would you like me to show you how to make cars or a car out of toilet rolls? You would? Fantastic. What's that?
Mummy wants a sparkling car.
Oh, Mum wants a sparkly pink car.
Yes, yes.
Well, let's start off by making Mummy a sparkly pink car, first of all. Okay, are you ready? So, you just need toilet rolls. You need coloured paper. You can also use paint if you like. What have we got today? Here in the... Oh, look, I've got some sparkles, so we can definitely make Mum a sparkly pink car. Is that good?
Look, Mum, look. Oh, wonderful. Oh, fabulous. Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
Oh, yes, Mum's very happy. Going to the beach, beach, beach. Oh, I have some stickers. Oh, what's that?
I would like a racing car.
Oh, Dad wants a racing car. Ugh. Well, let's do Mum's car first.
I want a car. Me. I want a car.
You can't have a car. You're little. Little people don't drive cars.
Oh.
All right, let's first of all make Mum a pink sparkly car.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yay.
So what I'm going to do is get this paper. It's actually a little bit reddish pink. Your house is very yellow. I love it. All right, so get the toilet roll and see, first of all, before we glue it, let's just see to make sure that it fits. Actually, what I might do is I think I'm going to cut this big piece of paper in half. So grab your scissors. Remember, when you pick up scissors, always pick them like this, upside down, just because if you run and you fall over, it's a little bit dangerous. And I don't want you to get hurt.
Yes. Safety first. Yes. Very good.
That's right, Mum. Safety first. Okay. Are you enjoying your summer holidays?
Beach.
I bet you're having a lovely time. Have you been to the beach? You have? Do you love playing in the sand and making sand castles and swimming in the ocean?
Yes,
Beach. Yes, I'm coming. Sorry, stop talking. All right, now that looks like it's a pretty good size. I might cut it a little bit more smaller. Cut. Okay, remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the paper and the toilet roll, and I might just put a little bit of glue. Now, always when you use glue, get a grown-up to help you, because glue can be a little bit tricky, and it also is chemicals, so I want you to always be safe.
Safety first.
Okay, so let's first of all just slobber. Oh, look at that. Looks like clear honey. I won't make a mess, Mum, don't worry.
Okay, good.
Okay, now pop it down on the toilet roll, and then we're just going to roll it up and sort of smooth it out a little bit. And we might need to put some extra glue along the top of the paper and also on the inside of the paper. Oh, I love this glue. It's fabulous. Okay, rolling, rolling, rolling. A bit more glue.
Rolling,
A
rolling.
bit more glue. Do you like that?
Yay! Beach, 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 beach.
Beach, beach. Yes, beach, beach. We're going to the beach. Oh dear, your daughter's very excited about going to the beach today.
Oh, beach, beach, beach.
Okay, now it looks like my paper is a little bit bigger than the toilet roll, but that's okay. I'm just going to stick this down, and while I'm waiting for that to dry,
Beach, 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 beach.
I'm going to cut the ends off so that it's equal. See here? See, the paper's a little bit longer than the toilet roll, so we don't have to make it perfect, but
Oh, I know.
just make it a little bit more neat.
Be careful.
Cut, 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 cut.
Are we nearly ready? Very Kelly. Are we almost ready?
Yes, yes, go and get your towels ready.
Oh, goody.
And what else do you need when you go to the beach? You need a hat.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. And you need some sun cream so the sun doesn't hurt your skin.
Yes.
And you need a ball. Yes, that's right. And some floaties. Oh, yes, you'll definitely. Can you swim?
Beach. Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, get some floaties. And maybe you might need some water because sometimes at the beach it can be very, very hot. Okay, there we go. Perfect. See that?
Yay.
It's a little bit slubbery from the glue still, but that's okay. Okay, now, do you still want a sparkly car, Mum?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. You sound like my kind of friend.
I am.
Okay, I have these lovely
Oh, beautiful.
sparkles. They've got love hearts on them. Would you like pink or silver or red?
Oh, I'll silver, please.
Silver.
Thank you.
What's your favourite colour? Do you like red? Or do you like pink? Or do you like silver? I like anything that sparkles. So I'm going to give Mum, she said silver, so I might give her 3 silver hearts on this side,
Oh, thank you.
and perhaps on the other side, could we give you pink?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, good. All right, here we go. 1, oh, there's glue there. 2,
You changed your mind, Mum. You changed your mind.
what's that?
You changed your mind.
She changes her mind. Well, sometimes mummies do change their mind. Okay, here's 1 red one. There you go. Oh, now what do we need? What does a car need that makes it go? Wheels, that's right. So, what we have here is some black circles. Can you see that? How many wheels does a car have?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4. That's right, 4 wheels.
Well, sometimes more or less.
Yes, some cars have less or more. Okay, you're very clever, Dad. All right, now we need to stick Mum's. Your tyres are quite big, Mum.
Oh.
Okay, let's stick them on. Put some more glue.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Go there. And oh no, your
We're going to the beach.
sparkle's in the way. I might have to take it off and put it in another position. Ready? Whoop. 1.
Beach, beach,
I'm going to
beach.
lift this up a little bit higher. Oh, the glue's dripping down. 2. Beep, beep.
Ooh.
Take you driving in my car, car. Ooh. Take you driving in my car, car. Take you driving in my car, car. This is a little bit of a mess today. Okay, let's just pop this wheel on. I think we're going to have to rearrange the sparkles, Mum, because
Okay.
it appears that I have done a bit of a,
Oh,
not a fabulous job, shall we say.
it's fabulous.
Okay, here we go. 1 car. Oh.
Oh, yay.
Oh, what's that?
A car the sparkles.
Oh, you can't see the sparkles. I know, because I couldn't put the wheels on and the sparkles were in the way.
Oh.
But I've had a great idea.
Oh.
What about if I put on your tyres some of the sparkle hearts, so then your tyres can be sparkling? Would that be okay?
Oh, that'd be fabulous.
Great. All right, let's do that instead. Actually, I think that's going to be cooler.
Yeah.
I would love to have a car that had sparkly tyres. I think that would be fabulous. Fabulous.
Beach, beach.
Beach, beach. Yes, beach, beach. I know, we're almost done.
Beach, beach.
Have you got your bag ready? Ready to go to the beach?
Yes, ready. Beach, beach, beach. Shh. Be quiet.
Okay, here we go. Just going to turn it around.
Ooh.
Oh, it looks quite good. Looks good, very Kelly.
Ta-da! 2 cars ready to go to the beach.
Beach, beach. Beach, beach.
Are you ready to go to the beach? Is your bag packed, ready to go?
Yes, yes, beach, beach, beach.
Yes? All right, let's go to the beach. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Get in the car, let's go. Thank you so much for watching my episode today, all about car craft made out of toilet rolls. Don't throw things away. Reuse them and make things. Look over here. Can you see that? Let me show you. Hang on a second. I made a tree out of a toilet roll. See that? You can make anything out of things that some people would seem as trash or rubbish. So much fun. Your imagination can take you anywhere you want to go, so don't be afraid to have a go, craft, do it to the best of your ability. There is no wrong, there is no right. I want you to have fun and I want you to enjoy yourself and just create. I'll see you next time here at Very Kelly. Don't forget to like and subscribe and always be yourself from your head right down to your toes. I'll see you soon. Bye.